This one can be tricky, essentially like the chest roll that we did, except it's going behind your neck. And to do that, you're going to have your hands making a flat surface, and right as it gets up to your head, you're going to duck your head under like you're diving into the water. That will make your shoulders shrug, make the ball pass to the other side. As you get more advanced, if you do shrug your shoulders slightly, it'll look better than that. That's as I turn in a circle, you can see that the ball stays there, no problem.